I just gotta go over here and use this phone. Yep. Yeah. Ain't got no money, but don't worry about it. Motherfucker don't work no way. Motherfucker don't work no way. And you pick it up and you say, hit it! You said that Donald Trump and his Gestapo is kidnapping motherfuckers off the tweets. Off the tweets. What about? Well, you go down here to the rock on the left, and you turn by the snowbank on the left, and then you go by the tree on the right, and then you fuck a duck. That's what you do. You fuck a motherfucking duck. Motherfucking duck. What you do, Donald, in your motherfucking ice ass taco. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. They don't work on that phone, you datin'. I mean, because I couldn't do a day. I couldn't do my eyes. Oh, motherfucker.